rotate to your right and move down.
Yeah.
It's either that or I just gotta work on getting. Someone's getting hot heated. Look, Bradley just here. They want to know where their goddamn stuff grinder is. Why?
They're looking for their 500i that tried stolen.
That's what someone stole yesterday.
Jesus. Right?
They have GPS on that thing. They're gonna find it. Because that way I can leave my rope right here in the bucket. Not worry about hitting primary.
Primary.
Yeah, primary. I'm frustrated.
Isn't it high tension lines?
Like, you did
those
not like that.
those lines, they look like they have some serious tension on them, dude.
The tall ones? The transmission line? Yeah, I was climbing those when I was 19 years old.
That's crazy. That's some transmission work. Everything's bigger. Hoists are bigger. Every tool is bigger.
Balls are bigger. Wow.
Balls are definitely bigger, dude. The dudes are bigger. Muscles are bigger.
Get that ball up easy.
What the fuck was that, dude?
About time. That thing needed to go. Yeah, I couldn't have my rope get caught on it. Like the damn camera. Beautiful big ball. Okay, let's move that day. We'll rotate the end to the left.
Yep.
Yes, top right.
I'm just gonna boom up like 6 inches.
Okay, you're fine.
I think that limb that you were talking about, I'm just kind of fucked with that now.
That damn thing.
Do you need me to? I can boom down now if you want me to.
Let's boom down and you'll have it. There's one limb up top that's bothering us a little bit. Cap Paul, hold on a second.
Yeah.
Boom up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna work you off this limb here.
I'm gonna boom up and rotate actually, cause I just got
You see right above the ball?
Yeah, that one limb.
Yeah.
You want me to bring you above it?
If you just got ball up, I'll take the limb off.
All right, I'm just gonna boom up a little, cause I gotta get off this one hard limb.
Okay.
With my cable. It's like 20 feet above me.
You can rotate left now.
I gotta do something.
Like what?
Rotate right a smidge to get off this one limb, and then I can boom you down. Oh my god, dude, these fucking hardwoods. All right, boom down or?
Well, you're gonna rotate left.
Yeah, I'm gonna cable you up.
Okay. And then I go wherever I want. That looks good.
Rotate
left. Get me to that tree.
Yeah.
Looking good so far. Looks good on rotate. Okay, let's fall down.
Yeah.
Alright, you all set?
Yes.
It's all yours.
Yeah. gonna try to rotate. I just don't know how much I have. Do I gotta boom up?
Yeah, you have to boom up a little bit.
Yeah, that's okay.
Boom back.
I'm gonna try that.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. I could go over this way.
That piece was $2,000. A little bit left.
When you can, you'll probably want to try to sneak it to your left.
Yeah, I was just going a little bit now.
Yeah, back to you a little bit, like boom up and left would help.
I just boomed out, or boomed left probably as far as I can go.
Right now?
I mean, yeah.
Unless you boom up, right?
No, I mean, I'm still, how close are we?
You're gonna be. Yeah, you're gonna be. Probably another 15 feet.
I'm gonna boom up then. I'm just trying not to ruin my wire. I know you guys don't see it, but.
That looks pretty good. Oh, I see on that pine limb.
No, like right above my head, these hardwoods. The hardwoods are the ones I have to watch out for. The pine, not really.
Yeah. That's gonna work, Paul. There's a pine limb pushing on your wire pretty good up top.
Yeah, not anywhere as bad as these hardwoods. I know you don't see them, but. We're.
You look good over here. Alright, you're within 6 feet with that one limb.
Alright, can you.
I can put the winch on if you'd like.
Yeah, can you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because that might help pull those limbs to the back. Yeah.
Yeah. That would be ideal. I mean, can you reach that, or is that low enough?
That's perfect.
Okay.
I can do anything.
Superman.
Yeah, Kevin Garnett, bro. Kevin Garnett taught me everything is possible.
Love that dude.
He taught you how to do tree work. He was talking about tree work, I think.
You want to get on that winch for me too when you're done?
I will.
Yep. Sorry, Zach. No, Zach. No, no. All right, there you go. If he was on comm, sure, but.
Okay, I'm coming up.
Yeah.
Gonna take this tension.
Yeah. Porter, you're watching that line, yeah.
Yeah, I'm watching. Okay, Paul.
Yep.
I'm gonna go easy.
Okay.
Here I go.
You got it.
Perfect. Oh, a nice flow. Talk to me.
You're okay.
All right.
Hold that.
Holding. About to touch the ground.
All right. Hold on.
On the ground now.
All right. Go a little bit more, Ian.
Going more. Here we go.
Hold that.
Holding.
P-Town, you think I could do that or no? Or should he go more?
Yeah, you could probably. If you went a little more, you'd be perfect.
Okay. Do you want to trim up that stuff, Ian, or no?
Can I just swing this or to your crane? Yeah. Well, you could probably lay it right now. Yeah.
Well, it looks like we'll be right on this maple, so I mean,
want to be on the outside of that maple for sure. Yeah.
You want me to hold it then and have Zach help you?
I can't see the tip, that's all.
You're right on the left of it. If you want to, if I can cable back up and you can just have Zach help you push
I think
it.
we got the roof.
Just lay it down then?
Hold on.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Nice. Good shit, buddy.
You got it?
Yep.
Okay.
Good job. Nice. Do you want me to hold or while you trim or just lay it down?
No, you got a couple big stuff. 1 second, Paul.
Yeah. Nicely done. Whenever you take that sling off, I would hold the ball. I don't know if it's gonna swing towards wires or whatnot. Yes, you do, bud. Yes, you do. Oh, wow, damn. Fucking Anthony with the fucking hand launch of the drone. Impressive. Impressive.
Okay, pull the ball up.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna let go. I got no tension on it.
Yeah.
Me and Zach gonna chip this shit, alright?
Yeah. You want to tap out real quick so me and P-Town can figure this out? So me and Porterhouse Steak and fucking rendezvous. Probably good. I'm really on that pine limb, so. Porter, with this one, sling it right above the primary. Put the shackle right above where the primary, on the primary side.
Like put it right here.
No, on the, yes. Or no, actually my fault. Opposite side. I forgot this one's on the other side of the wires.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, Jack.
Yes, my fault. I was going off the last tree. I can cable up if it helps.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. I'm gonna boom up a little.
Yeah, right now I feel like it's gonna want to go towards the primary. We're cutting right above, so.
Right, I wanna, yeah, exactly. So I do want it to go this way.
Okay.
Because, yeah, you'll be far above, you'll be wherever you want to cut it, really. How's my boom tip look? Am I wicked past? Am I real past it? Or am I good?
It looks pretty good.
All right, perfect. As long as we're somewhat in the general idea.
Yeah, it looks like you're right over it.
Alrighty.
Gonna come in right here.
Yep, beautiful.
You all set?
Yep. Nicely done, bud. You want me to hold this? Ian, how you looking, bud?
I'm in.
You want me to keep coming down or wait until you guys process?
Wait a second, I'll cut this top, we'll winch it out of the way.
Yeah.
Keep
give me a moment. I threw a chain, so I had to go fix it. Come on down with that.
Might be, yeah, you can just push this one, I think.
I'll kind of push you.
With Zach, though.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're coming down?
Yeah.
Come on down, come on. Just do it.
Sorry, I have no idea how far I had to go.
It's okay.
I didn't want to slam it.
You're doing so good. You should see you today. You're doing so good.
I don't know what I'd do without positive affirmation, bud.
Well, I hope you would boom left.
I'm booming up.
Okay.
It's gonna do the same thing as booming left.
Same motion.
Jeez,
Perfect ball. You ball right down, you're gonna be happy, let me tell you.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, baby.
So good. Oh, yep, you're on a log, but she's fine. She ain't going nowhere. I like it.
That's it for this setup, is it not?
Go, 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 go. You're good. Strap this off.
Ian?
Strap this off. Crane is done.
Okay. This is gonna take me a hot minute, dude, because the boom's not gonna suck in. I gotta boom down to 30, so I don't know.
You do whatever you gotta do now.
It's gonna take a hot minute. You know, I might just tip it over.
Just leave it there. Leave
Yeah.
the crane right there. Enjoy the weekend.
I like that. I'll fucking worry about it on Monday.
Who's gonna move it? I can tell you who. No one.
Goddamn right. Get the fuck out of this setup. Oh, yay, I got off of it. Oh, no, don't whip me.